Bro, I have a very fun fact to share. This airline rating. He rated 106, 109 airlines recently. And at the bottom of the pyramid, at 103rd or 4th rank, was Indigo. And nobody on the face of this planet was surprised by it. No, nobody at all.
Everybody loves to hate Indigo.
Yeah.
But you know what did they achieve? This happened in the last few days as of the day of doing this shoot. Indigo became the most valuable airline on the planet for a brief period. They're right now trending in the top 3.
If there is an OG startup built out of India, it is Indigo. Look at the age of the company and the others. It's a beautiful brand to be talking about.
Yeah, but everybody hates.
But everybody hates. I filter my flights by not Indigo here. If I can fly from one city to another without Indigo, I would love.
All of us have stories to tell about Indigo.
Yeah.
Just to give you a sense, what does being world number 1 mean? We're talking about the company of Delta Airlines, Ryanair, Southwest Airlines, Air China. This is not a small game.
Wrong at all.
We're talking about, it cost $20 billion in valuation.
But okay, the blip that happened where it went to the top also happened because the top guys actually lost quite a bit of, the stocks fell down for a small moment. What did they do so right to reach here? What are some things that they are doing absolutely incredibly well with them?
Let's get into their numbers. Indigo, despite claiming the title of the most valuable airline, does almost half the flights as a Delta. Indigo does about 15,000 flights a week. Delta does almost double of that, somewhere around 35,000 a week.
And the fleet is also half. I think it's over 100, 500. But
Yep. Indigo's got about 490 or 500 aircraft. Delta is over 1,000 aircraft.
Right.
Indigo is still closer to Ryanair in some ways. They have about 30% more aircrafts and number of flights. What we see with Indigo is that it's actually punching above its weight.
Right, punching way above it.
Way above its weight because it's at half the size and it's competing with an equivalent giant.